Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you my running late makeup or like 5-10 minute makeup look. Usually when I'm running late or if it's just a type of day where I don't want a lot of makeup on but I still want to look kind of cute, this is what I do. I don't really put on like a huge like bold lip. I don't do contour or anything. I just put on like a lip gloss or a chapstick and maybe some foundation and some concealer and call it a day, and mascara. And yeah, so let's get started with the video. Okay, first I'm going to go in with my Benefit Professional Primer. And I'm just gonna go over my face. I don't, since this is a 5-minute or 10-minute or whatever, I don't do a whole lot with my face. I don't contour anything, especially if I'm like running late or if I just don't feel makeup. That's my legit everyday makeup routine. I'm just gonna put it all over my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I accidentally put a lot. I'm just gonna dab that in kind of quickly. The sun's going in and out today, so the lighting may be a little bit weird. I'm just gonna like dab this in my face because, like I said, when it's just a 5-minute makeup routine, I don't contour or anything. I don't even put on eyeshadow. So this is just what I do. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer, my Maybelline concealer. Just gonna put a little bit of that on. I'm not even gonna put like a whole lot. I'm really just gonna do this and this and that, and maybe like right there. And we're gonna go in with my powder. Blend it in with my brush that I literally got for like $16 for Amazon. But not so bad. Amazon actually has really good stuff if you really like look at it, even though if their stuff is cheap, then it's gonna take forever to deliver. I think it took like a week. I was gonna get a pop socket. Yeah, a pop socket from Amazon. It was like $1, and I literally was gonna go and check out, and they were like, "You're not gonna get it till like a whole month," and I'm just like, "Well, that's that." Okay, since I'm not gonna contour, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. My setting spray, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter, literally just a little bit. I still like to put on highlighter even if I'm not doing a lot with my makeup, but I gotta have that glow. Blend that in a little bit. And this is the finishing look. Like I said, I'm running late, or if I just don't feel like having a lot of makeup, or if it's just a whatever type of day. I don't do a lot. I don't contour. I do put on highlight. I still love the highlight, but contour or eyeshadow or blush or anything when I'm running, if I'm like running late or something. But this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to do like some more makeup videos. And that's it for this video, and yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.